Appreciation Night? That's outstanding. You got a real souvenir. This is the first baseball I've ever signed. All right, you got to put that in the case. All right, see that? Hunter children, y'all should have joined me. Y'all missed a good game, but the family, y'all anyway had a good time. Thank you for all Hunter children. But join me at the Maritime Center. God bless you.
First base, number 25, Raymond Nyews.
So what?
I said that was smooth. All that was cracked down at once.
You like that, right? I tried to put them in there. Get up in there. It'll rough.
Excuse me.
Oh, I love your name, Samson. You got a lot of strength then, right? Excellent. All right, Samson, you're welcome. See? Love the chillin', love the chillin'. Y'all be thinking that Marty Ball the only one love the chillin'. We love the chillin' too, you know that? All right. Now look at it. You know you're the Gullah Geechee Nation when the place named Possums, y'all. Y'all know that possum landscape and pest control. Y'all can trust a possum for control the pests, for eating pests. Now y'all know this is too funny, but y'all have to come down here to jump down. These are the kind of things we can just look at and laugh, but if for truth, it's just for me. Down here in the land of the Gullah Geechee, for truth. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Right field, number 15, Towne.
So how Hunter children to do this year, the Queen Quet at the beginning of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We just left the Charleston RiverDogs and right here at Butcher and B with the proprietor Michael. So how Hunter to do?
Oh yeah, I'm so honored to have you all here.
We are so happy to be here. So now what made you decide to come up with a name called Butcher and B?
Oh, it's all about where the food comes from. You know, probably half of the vegetables you eat are pollinated by bees.
Right.
And then you need to butcher for all your proteins,
get the meats going.
So we knew we were going to be a restaurant that was all about the food and where it came from. And we wanted to break a lot of the things that are normal now with food, you know, where you really don't have a link back to where it was made and the earth,
and that it grows.
Yeah,
right.
exactly. So the beautiful thing. Hi there.
Hi, good evening. Hi.
Beautiful thing about tonight is that the chef spent the past 2 days out on local farms and out at the docks, sourcing ingredients. That's the way we source ingredients too, and it's just beautiful. You know, you have good food and you honor it.
And honor it. And see, I love that word, and you honor it, because here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, we're always trying to help people understand honoring the land, honoring the earth itself, and how if we take care of the earth, it takes care of us as well. So y'all see, when y'all come to Charleston, South Kakalaki, you ain't just half of going downtown where all the other tourists could be bumping into you like that. Come a little bit just up the road, a few streets down on King Street, right here to Butcher and B, and then Hunter can join me and getting some of this good thing what we gonna name upon this evening. Now see, we can't send them to you on the camera, but you sure can look at the pictures though, because we gonna show you. And tonight we have Chef BJ Dennis, who the Gullah Geechee all the way, y'all. And when they say it been on them farm, it been right here on Wheat Islands and things like that. So we're so glad, Michael, that y'all having us and being a part of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. This is the first one in Charleston, but we're gonna make sure it's not the last.
All right.
All right. We're gonna keep coming together to honor the land. So y'all, you coming to Charleston, South Kakalaki, join we at Butcher and Beef. This year the Queen Quet, head funded body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Hunter children know this year the what going on.
That was awesome.
Adam in the garden, Adam in the garden. God called Adam, God called Adam. Adam in the garden, Adam in the garden. God called Adam, God called Adam. Adam in the garden, Adam in the garden. Adam wouldn't answer, Adam wouldn't answer. God called Adam, God called Adam.
What time it start?
12.
12.
And
Okay.
we go till 7.
Till 7.
Yeah.
Okay, what I probably do is close my shop up early.
Okay.
And come out for a little while.
Well, we
support you.
looking forward
Yes.
to that. Now, see that, Hunter Chillin'? Sometimes y'all think people are play people and things like that. On We Gullah Geechee Nation fan page on Facebook, these ain't no play people. These are the true Gullah Geechee. From the root to the fruit. We got sister y'all from Silva Spoon. Y'all be seeing that name and y'all seeing the cracky teeth sometime and things like that. So you see it's the real deal. You see right y'all? Y'all can't say. Y'all ain't know. Silva Spoon Soul Food Cafe. Y'all seeing that article I've been talking about with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for going down someplace. And I mentioned Silva Spoon. There we go. Now you see how they've been divine order. I ain't first ask them for catering no food for me this morning, and here she go. So thank the Lord. So we're so glad. Now, who would give them people your name?
My name is Venus Silva, the chef at Silva Spoon Soul Food Cafe.
All right, and what's your hours at Silva Spoon?
Monday through Saturday, 11 to 7, and on Fridays we stay open until 8 p.m.
All right, so now y'all know, look, see, I got a coupon. See, y'all can't get this coupon right here. But you know, if y'all walk in there and say y'all see them on Gullah Geechee TV, Nation News, Silva Spoon Food Cafe, might give a discount and things like that. So if you ain't never been there, you can go to Facebook and find Silva, S-I-L-V-A, Silva Spoon. That sounds like Gullah Geechee, any. That'll wait for spell Silva in Gullah too. All right, but that ain't near. This sweet sister Silva, and she got that good old soul food for Hunter Nyam Fun. So Hunter know this year Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week about the living culture, the living people that carrying them on. Hunter chillin', this year the Queen Quet. So glad for greeting my sister early this morning. And no say, we culture still going on, stirring the pot, and they got them hot. So join them down in Silva Spoon Cafe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 11 to 6, and Thursday and Friday, 11 to 8, late on the weekend. Peace and blessings, everybody.